सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। अद्य तु महती संख्या वर्तते, चतुर्शततमी कक्षा वर्तते। टुडे इज ए big number of our classes, 400th class today, and where we have been reading Sankshepa Ramayanam, yatra Sankshepa Ramayanam अस्माभिः पठ्यमानमस्ति। मन्ये एतावत् पर्यन्तं 270 श्लोकाः पठिताः। केवलम् 38 श्लोकाः शेषाः सन्ति एतत् समापयितुं। संक्षेप रामायण पठनम् अस्माभिः। सो गतकक्षायां वस्तुतः श्लोकः पठितः आसीत्। श्लोकस्य सम्बन्धी तत्र अभ्यासः अपि प्रारब्धः। अभ्याससंख्या अस्ति 49तमः अभ्यासः, यत्र प्रथमांशः अस्माभिः कृतः। मञ्जूषातः पदानि गृहीत्वा वाक्यरचनं तत्र करणीयमासीत्, तत् कृतम् अस्माभिः। द्वितीयवंशम् अद्य स्वीकुर्मः वयं। श्रीनिवास, कः अंशः? विशेषणपदस्य यथोचितं रूपं लिखत। सो तत्रापि पुनः किञ्चित् मेलनम् इव अस्ति, पदमेलनं। महाबलिन् कथं वा भवति? यदि विशेषणरूपेण महाबलिन् शब्दः प्रयुक्तः भवति, महाबलिन् शब्दः कथं वा प्रथमायां विशेषणरूपेण हनुमान् इति शब्दस्य विशेषणत्वेन कथं भवति? तत्र निदर्शनं दत्तमस्ति। महाबली इति भवति। एवमेव धनिन्। No, one example is shown to us that how an adjective will go with Hanuman. The adjective Mahabalin, Mahabali Hanuman. Dhanin Vanijah. Vanik Vanijau Vanijah, plural. Therefore, the Dhanin adjective should also be plural. Dhani, Dhaninau, Dhaninaha. So, since the noun विशेष्य पदम यतः विशेष्य पदम बहुवचने दत्तमस्ति, अतः विशेषण पदमपि बहुवचने तत्र लेखनीयं। धनिनः इति प्रथमा बहुवचने धनिनः वणिजः इति साधुप्रयोगः। मानिन् विद्वांसः, पुनः विद्वांसः शब्दः अपि बहुवचने वर्तते। विद्वान्, विद्वांसौ, विद्वांसः सकारान्तः। मानिन् इति शब्दस्य प्रथम एकवचने मानी, द्विवचने मानिनौ, बहुवचने मानिनः। यथा धनिनः तथा मानिनः। मानिनः विद्वांसः, सेल्फ रेस्पेक्टिंग स्कॉलर्स। घ मेधावी छात्रः। छात्र इति एकवचनमस्ति, अतः मेधावी छात्रः, इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट। यदि छात्र शब्दस्य एकवचनस्थाने बहुवचनं स्यात्, मेधाविनः छात्राः इति भवति। यदि द्विवचनं प्रयुक्तं छात्रौ इति, मेधाविनौ छात्रौ एवं रूपेण भवति। So you have to change the adjective. I have told you several times, adjective has no independent existence in Sanskrit. It depends on the noun only. विशेषणस्य अस्तित्वं नास्ति। विशेषणस्य अस्तित्वं केवलं विशेष्यपदे एव आधारितं भवति। तृतीय अंशः योजनं, मैचिंग द फॉलोइंग। लवणार्णवः इति तत्र दत्तः अस्ति, समाधानं दत्तमस्ति। दीर्घ संधिः, सवर्णदीर्घ संधिः इति लवणार्णवः। गुणिन् शेषं। So पुनः गुणिनपि गुणी गुणिनौ गुणिनः अत्र द्विवचनमस्ति पुरुषौ इति द्विवचनं प्रयोगः सो गुणी गुणिनौ पुरुषौ गुणिनौ पुरुषौ द्वौ गुणिनौ पुरुषौ द्वौ is actually not necessary in Sanskrit. Two meritorious people, the moment you say guninau, it speaks of its number. Guninau, two meritorious, but in English we have to take the help of, because of our special number in Sanskrit. Ekavachana, dvivachana, this is the speciality of Sanskrit. Okay, over to third amsha. Lavanarnavah dirgha sandhi. Tato grudraha. Sorry. Visarga sandhi. This is tataha grudraha visarga sandhi ga. Then yad, what is that? Yadatra. What do you think is that? There are two atras. Yad plus atra, yadi atra. See the down one. You can do this fourth one. Yadi plus atra, yadyatra. What is it? Ya is coming. Therefore, yanadesha. That is yanadesha. Now you take the third one. Yadatra. Jastva sandhi. Yat atra, yadatra, jastva. That is gha. Okay? Yadyatra fourth is nya. And the last one, tathaiva, is very simple. Vruddhi sandhi. Tatha plus eva vruddhi sandhi. So we again repeat it. Tato grudraha is visarga sandhi. Yadatra is jastva sandhi. Yadyatra is yanadesha sandhi or yan sandhi in simple terms. And tathaiva, tatha eva is vruddhi sandhi. Evam atra sandhi padanam nama bihi yojanam krutam. Okay. Na samanarthakam padam likha. Now you write synonym words, which is sometimes we are asked in the book. You are asked to do this. For example, yatha pupluve, ullalange, ullalange, ullalange iti. Utplutavan. We have already come across Srinivas, I think. Yes. Udaplavata also you can take. Plutavan, Udaplavata. But here, lit form is given. Ullalange. Pupluve nama Ullalange. Okay. Ka. What is the other word? Sharas Sagaram. Samudra. Kshara Samudraha, Kshara Sagaram. Okay. Ga Kshirarnavam. What is the other word for Kshira in Sanskrit? Anyat Padam Kim Kshira. Paryaya Padam. Dugdam. Dugdha Sagaram. Dugdha Sagaram. Kshirarnavam. Dugdha Sagaram. Grudrasya. Any word has come so far?
Yeah, it's come, but same meaning is
Grudrasya. But you can take, this is not sounding, not familiar to many. Bhasasya. Bhasasya. Bhasa also means, one of the meaning is Grudra. And Dakshayasya. Dakshayasya. Both are out of hearing. Grudra is, that is why the book also Grudra is given, but now he is asking for a synonym. This is not fair for the students. So, Bhasasya, like Bhasa Mahakavi is there. There is the same word here. Bhasasya, Dakshayasya. Dakshayaha. Vulture. Now, next, Vistirnam. Avrutam. Paryayapadam etadeva bhavitum arhati. Vistinam nama avrutam. Dishaha. Kosha is given. Dishaha. आशाः आशा श्रीनिवास आशाः दिक् दिशौ दिशः इति प्रथमा बहुवचने अस्ति आशा शब्दः आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः आशा आशे आशाः आशा नाम आशा आशा नाम दिक्कप् सो आशाः इति बहुवचनं पर्यायपदम् छ बली देयर आर सो मेनी बलवान बलवान बलशाली बलवान बलशाली एनीथिंग वचनात् कथनात् very simple. So what is a bit difficult, not difficult only, not bit difficult, is Grudrasya, which is not been given in the book, nowhere it is come. So Dakshayasya, Bhasasya, these two are there. We will write those two words only. Otherwise this fourth part is simple. Sharasagaram, Dugdasagaram, Dakshayasya, Bhasasya, Avrutam, Ashaha and Balavan, Balashali, Kathanat, as you said, Vachanat nama Kathanat. Idanim Nutara Sloka. Trayo Saptatitamaha. Trayasaptatitamaha Sloka. Patita.
तत्र लंकां समासाद्य पुरीं रावणपालितां ददर्श सीतां ध्यायन्तीं अशोकवनिकां गताम्.
तत्र पदच्छेदं करोमि लंकां पुस्तके अस्ति सम्यक् सम आसाद्य समासाद्य पुरीं रावणपालितां ददर्श सीतां ध्यायन्तीं अशोकवनिकां गताम् इति पदच्छेदः. पदपरिचयं शीघ्रं कुर्मः. तत्र लंकां समासाद्य पुरीं रावणपालितां ददर्श. दृश् धातुः कर्तरि लिट् प्रथमपुरुष. सीतां ध्यायन्तीं अशोकवनिकां आकार समस्त गतां. आकांक्षां पश्यामः. ददर्श दृश् धातोः लिटि एतद् रूपं ददर्श इति प्रथमपुरुष एकवचने भवति. स्व दृष्टवान् अपश्यत् अपश्यत् दृष्टवान् ददर्श सा. कां ददर्श whom did anybody see here? Whom did he see? Sitam sa Sita. Kutra gatam kim kurvantim Sitam dadarsha. He saw Sita doing what?
ध्यायन्तीं सीतां ददर्श.
He saw Sita who was meditating. Dhyayantim is adjectival. Visheshanam Sitam. Dhyayantim Sitam dadarsha. Shamyata. Kutra gatam Sitam dadarsha. Where he saw Sita situated where?
अशोकवनिकां गतां सीतां ददर्श.
He saw Sita who was in the Ashoka garden, who was situated in the Ashoka garden. Kam samasadya Sitam dadarsha. Reaching what did Hanuman see Sita? Samasadya means reaching here.
पुरीं समासाद्य सीतां ददर्श.
Purim. Purim, Lankapurim. Purim nama atra Lankapurim samasadya prapya gatva Sitam dadarsha. He saw Sita having reached the Lanka city. Puri Shabda, you know, Srinivas, it is Strilinga and also Napumsakalinga. Puram. You can say Lankapuram, you can say Lanka Puri. Puri Puram. Nagaram Nagari. Likewise, Nagara Shabda is also available in Napumsaka and Strilinga, not in Pullinga. Nagaram Nagari. Lanka Nagarim, Lanka Purim. Kam Purim Samasadya Sitam dadarsha. Reaching which city did Hanuman see Sita? Lankam
पुरीं समासाद्य सीतां ददर्श.
So having reached Lanka city, he saw Sita. Kidrushim Lankam Purim Samasadhya Dadarsha. He saw Sita. What, having seen what type of city did he see Sita?
Ravana Palitam Lankam Purim Samasadhya Dadarsha.
Ravana Palitam, Ravanena Palitam, ruled by Ravana. The city of Lanka ruled by Ravana, he saw. Anvayartham padu.
Hanuman Ravana Palitam Lankam Purim Samasadhya Tatra Ashoka Vanikam Gatam Ramam Dhyayantim Sitam Dadarsha.
Shamyata. Padartha. Oh, Anvayartha. Hanuman Tatra Adhyahara. Ravana Palitam Lankam Purim Samasadhya. Hanuman, having reached the city ruled by Ravana, Tatra, there in Lanka, Lankayam, Ashoka Vanikayam, in Lanka, in the place called Ashoka Garden, Gatam, situated, Ramam Dhyayantim, and thinking, meditating, thinking about only Rama, Sitam Dadarsha, he saw Sita in Lanka, in Ashoka Garden, thinking, deeply involved and thinking about only Rama. Padartham, Srinivasa. Ravana Palitam. Palitam.
Poshitam.
Palitam nam Poshitam. Ravanena Palitam Poshitam. Yeah. Ruled by Ravana. Lankam Purim.
Lanka Namnim Nagarim.
Lanka Namnim Nagarim. Samasadhya Samprapya, having reached Tatra Lankayam Ashoka Vanikam.
Ashoka Vatikam.
Anyat Tatra Paryaya Padam. Vatika. Vanika Vatika. Gatam Sthitam. Gatam means situated. Okay, Sthitam. Dhyayantim Smarantim Sitam Janakim Dadarsha Drishtavan Apashyat Drishtavan Iti Padartha. Bhavartha, Srinivas.
Hanuman Ravanena Rakshidam Lankam Namnim Nagarim Gatva Tatra Ashoka Vatikayam Ramam Smarantim Sitam Drishtavan.
So this is the summary of the poem. Hanuman, Lord Hanuman, Ravanena Rakshitam Lanka Purim Nagarim Gatva Asadhya Samasadhya, having reached the city of Lanka ruled by Ravana, there Ashoka Vatikayam, in the grove called Ashoka, Ramam Smarantim, thinking about Rama. Sita, he saw Sita who was thinking about only Rama. Ramam Smarantim Sitam Drishtavan Dadarshayati. Now you may have, many people know that Ashoka Vanika, the Shoka of Sita came to end in Ashoka Garden. That is the beauty of the name Ashoka. Na Shokaha. Na Shokaha Vidyate Atra iti Ashokaha. Where there is no Shoka. Or the Shoka of Sita was gone in Ashoka Garden. Therefore it is Ashoka Garden. So anybody who is in trouble should go sit under the Ashoka Garden tree. Some such interpretation is there. So that is all. Okay, everything is fine. Shoka Nashakaha Ashoka Vrikshaha iti Nidarshanam Vyakarnamshaha Shigrameva Samasaha Ravana Palitam
Ravanena Palita Ravana Palita
Tritiya Tatpurusha Tam
Ravana Palitam.
Kima, something has happened today, lazy. Ashoka Vanikam, Ashoka Nam
Vanika, Ashoka Vanika, Shishti Purushatam, Ashoka Vanikam.
So there were many trees called Ashoka there. Ashokanam Vanika, it was a garden of tree is called Ashoka. Ashoka plants were many there, and therefore the garden got the name like rose garden, we say. Ashoka Vanika, Padma Vanika, Padma Saras, like a lake full of lotus. Like so, these are all Tatpurushas, and then Krudanta are there, quite a few. Samasadya, sam iti upasargaha, upasargaha, saditi dhatuhu, lyap iti pratyaya. Samasadya, samasadyanam gatva. Punah palitam, pala iti dhatuhu, ktanta prayogaha, punah tatra strilinge tap. Top taha you get only a. So it is top is used only for making feminine gender. So palita it becomes tam palitam. Then so dhyayantim, dhyai iti dhatuhu, dhyayati mugdhavadhuradikam madhusudana vadana sarojam dhyaya. So shatru pratyayanta, neep pratyayam, strilinge. So this is Shatru Pratyayanta. So Dhyayanti. And Dvitiya Ekavachane Dhyayantim Sitam. Gatam. Gamiti Dhatuhu Tanta. Top. Punah top. Tatra Gata iti bhavati. Dvitiyante Gatam. Ashoka Vanikam Gatam. Ashoka Vanikam Praptam. Sitam iti. एवं प्रकारेण कृदन्ताः पर्यायवाचिनः शब्दाः एक एव तत्र एकस्य शब्दस्य चत्वारः शब्दाः पर्यायवाचिनः पुरी इति शब्दः पूः नगरी पुरम सो आई टोल्ड यू नगरम एंड नगरी पुरम पुरी पुरी इज आल्सो देयर पूः इज आल्सो देयर नो सो दीज आर द सिनोनिमस वर्ड्स जस्ट हैव वॉच देम. So anything to be written now? No, nothing, na? Yeah, Abhyasa is come. Yeah, over to Abhyasa 50, sorry. Panchashattamaha Abhyasah Padita Slokasya Padachedam Kurta. That is very simple. Padacheda you can do it looking at the Tatra Lankam Samasadhya Purim Ravana Palitam iti Prathama Pankti तदर्श सीताम ध्यायन्तीम अशोक वनिकाम गताम. दैट इज प्रथमांश. द्वितीयांश कोष्टके प्रदत्तैः पदैः वाक्यानि रचयत. सो मेक सेंटेंसेस द वर्ड्स गिवन हियर इन द बॉक्स. नो क्लू इज गिवन. वन इज गिवन. पिता
पुत्राय पत्रं लिखितवान्.
या that is already there. Tukha you take adhyapakah Chhatran first, second one goes with first one. Ganitam no Patitavan second one. We repeat adhyapakah first word, second word is on the top Chhatran to the students, Ganitam about the mathematics, Pathitavan, the second from the fourth box. Adhyapakah Chatran Ganitam Pathitavan iti dvitiyam vakyam. Vakya rachana. Trutiya rachana evam bhavati. Chatraha kim?
Manoyoga purvakam.
Manoyoga purvakam.
Sanskritam patitavan.
या छात्रः तृतीय शब्दस्य योगे छात्रः चतुर्थ द्वितीय तत्र पंक्तौ दत्तेन चतुर्थपदेन मनोयोगपूर्वकं छात्रः प्लस मनोयोगपूर्वकं संस्कृतं पठितवान्. So that is Chatraha Mano Yoga Purva. That means with all interest. The student studied Sanskrit with all, keeping all his mind focused. And fourth sentence would be Arakshi, the policeman cop,
Marge
Marge on the way, Chauram
Drushtavan.
Dushtavan. The cop saw a thief on the road. Arakshi, fourth word, Marge, third word, Chauram, first word, Dushtavan, third word in the fourth column. So I think this is simple only. You can make out. Because one is done, you have to make only 3 sentences here. Trutiyamshaha, samasta padanam vigraham likata. Now you write the vigraha vakya of so many here. 2 are given as clues. Ravana palitam, Ravanena palita, Ravana palita tam. Okay. Bala yuktam. Bala yuktam iti dattam. Balaihi yuktam. Balayuktam. I don't know what this word is not there. Balayuktam. Is it Balayuktam or Balayuktam? It would have been more meaningful if it is given as Balayuktam, Balena Yuktam. Okay, whatever the printing, because this is not there in the poem, Srinivas. Etat padam tatra Ramayana sloke nasti, Balayuktam iti nasti. So, Balaihi yuktam or Balena yuktam it could be. Trutiya tatpursha. Matru poshitam.
Matra poshita matru.
No. Poshitaha first. Matra poshitaha, nourished by the mother. Tam matru poshitam. Matru poshitam putram. Or you can say, if it is not poshitam, then matru poshitaha putraha. Or matru poshitasya putrasya swastham samyak bhavati. The health of the child, son, whose health is taken care, nourished by the mother, is always good. Matru poshitasya putrasya swasthyam arogyam sada samyak bhavati. Okay, that is the sentence, big. Next, Srinivas.
Ashoka Vanika is given, sir. Ashokanam Vanika. Then
Pushpa Vatika. Same way.
Pushpanam Vatika.
Yeah, you have to do, sorry. Very sorry. Pushpanam Vatika. Pushpa Vatika, like Ashokanam Vatika, Pushpanam Vatika. What you said? Pushpanam. Pushpanam Vatika. Okay, there's a spelling mistake. Chhatravasaha. Same way. Chhatranam avasaha. Residence of the, that is hostel of the students. Chhatranam avasaha. There is a Savarnagira Sandhi and Tatpurusha Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Chhatranam avasaha. Anathalayaha. Similarly. Alayaha. Anathanam alayaha. The place of helpless people or orphans, orphanage. Anatha. So there is a sandhi also here. Anatha plus alayaha. Anathalayaha. Finally, patralayaha. Patranam alayaha. Patralaya. Post office. Patranam alaya. Patralaya. Devalayaha. Devasya alaya. Devalayaha. Granthalayah. Granthanam alayaha. Also like that. Assemblage of books, library. So no difficulty na here?
No.
So Bala Yuktam only can be given Vigrahvakya in Ekavachana and Bahuvachana. Balena athava Balaihi Yuktam. With boys or with a boy. Chaturtamshaha Uttaram Likata. Okay. Sloke, in the sloka given there, Purim ityasya Visheshane ki. What are the adjectives for the word Puri in the poem, Srinivas? Yeah, Lankam is one. Ravana Palitam is one. That's it. So Lankam Ravana Palitam iti dve viseshane kasya Purimityasya Shabdasya. Okay. Then what is asking?
Sitam.
Sitam iti asya ityasya ke viseshane. What are the adjectives? Two adjectives here. Kim ke kani. Ke viseshane. Two adjectives for the word Sita.
Dhyayantim Ashokavanikam Sita.
Ashokavanika. Dhyayantim gatam. Gatam. Dhyayantim iti ekam viseshanam. Lankapurim gatam. Gatam Sitam. Dhyayantim Sitam. Lankapurim gatam Sitam. एवं रूपेण विशेषण द्वयमस्ति अत्र. द्वे विशेषणे. एकं ध्यायन्तीम् अन्यत् द्वितीयं गताम् इति. That is why the question also clearly says Sita Sitam ityasya ke visheshane. What are the two adjectives of the word Sita? Sitam. Ke visheshane means two. Kim ke kani. Getting kim ke kani. If there were many visheshanas here, kani visheshanani. Sitam ityasya kani visheshanani. Had there been three and more. If only one were there, Sita ityasya kim visheshanam padam. Okay, then Samasadya ityasya karma padam kim. What is the object of the verb Samasadya? Reached. Reached. What? Reached what? Lankam. That's all. Lankam. Lankam Samasadya. So Samasadya iti kriyapadasya karmapadam Lankam iti bhavati. Uttaram Lankam. Punaha gha dadarsha iti kriyapadasya of the verb dadarsha, lit form dadarsha. Karmapadam kim. What is the object of the verb saw dadarsha?
Sitam.
Sitam. Yes. Saw what? Immediate question. Kim dadarsha? Kam dadarsha? Sitam dadarsha. Very good. Sitam. And antima sloke ta pratyantau shabdau kau. What are the ta past passive participles? Two past passive participles which are used in the poem.
Samasadya.
No, Srinivas. Tanta. Palitam. Palitam is one. Gatam is. Both are coming at the end of the lines. First line Palitam, second line ending Gatam. So, ete dve padepi kta pratyayantau shabdau. Sloke kta pratyayantau shabdau. Dvaveva palitamiti ekah shabdah. Gatamiti anyah shabdah. Any difficulty here? So we will rapidly sum up this. Sloke Purimityasya visheshane ke
Lankam
Ravana Palitam. Lankam Ravana Palitam. Punah Sitam ityasya ke visheshane dhyayantim gatam. Samasadya Lankam. Dadarsha iti Sitam. Antimah sloke kta pratyayantau Palitam gatam iti kta pratyayantau. Antimah पंचमः अंशः अत्र प्रदत्तान् शब्दान् प्रयुज्य कतिचन वाक्यानि पृथक् पत्रे. Okay, as usual, making sentences using these words. Samasadya, reaching. Palita, protected, ruled. Dhyai, to meditate. Dhyayati, dhyasyati, adhyayat. Lati, vartamana kale. Lriti, bhavishyat kale. Langi, bhuta kale. So vartamana bhuta bhavishyat kaleshu dhyai iti dhatoho dhatuna dhyai iti dhatuna vakya nirmanam karaniyam idanim asmabhi. Pratham samasadya. Srinivas chintayat ekam vakya. Karyalayam samasadya karyam karomi. You should say that. Aham pratidinam dashavadane karyalayam samasadya कार्यं करोमि इति व्यावहारिकं वाक्यं न तु लङ्कां समासाद्य इति न. So reaching the office every day at 10 o'clock I work. प्रतिदिनं दशवादनसमये कार्यालयं समासाद्य कार्यं करोमि. Anymore गृहं समासाद्य विश्रान्तिं स्वीकरोमि. ओके. सायंकाले गृहं समासाद्य विश्रान्तिं स्वीकरोमि. पालित रूल्ड रावणपालिताम्. इदानीम् अस्माकं भारतं केन पालितं? मोदी महोदयेन. अस्माकं प्रधानमन्त्रिणा मोदी महोदयेन भारतम् इदानीं पालितमस्ति. भारतं मोदी महोदयेन पालितमस्ति. India is ruled by Mr. Modi. So you can make that palita. Any other sentence? Anything you can make. You can't make other sentence here because ruling. So therefore you have to go to political statement. You can't say my office is ruled by my boss. कार्यालयः न पालितः. That is administration different. We can also say that. Anyway. Ga, dhyai. So in lat form, lati, dhyayati, dhyayatah, dhyayanti. See, Ashoka Vanika, Ashoka Vane, Vanikayam, Ashoka Vane, Sita Sada, Sada Sita Ramam Dhyayati Sma. Ashoka Vane, Sita Sada Ramam Dhyayati Sma. Sita always meditated, thought about Rama only in the Ashoka garden. That is one sentence.
Bhaktaha Devalayam Samasadya.
That's a good sentence.
Krishnam
Dhyayanti, yes. Bhaktaha Devalayam Samasadya Devam Krishnam Yogeshwaram Krishnam Dhyayanti. Or Bhaktaha Tirumalam Samasadya Venkateshwaram Dhyayanti. Iti api. Okay. Tirumala Nagaram Venkateshwarena Palitam Asti. We will attribute even ruling. For that matter, God is the ultimate ruler. Isha Vasyam Idam Sarvam Yat Kincha Jagatyam Jagat. He is the ultimate ruler, controller, everything. Why only Tirumala? Dhyai. Okay, one lat is over. Ruti. Dhyasyati. Will meditate, think about. Difficult to make because you have to artificially make a sentence here. But let us take the verbal form. Sentence may not be that appreciable here. Dhyasyati, dhyasyatah, dhyasyanti, like bhavishyati, bhavishyata. Because of this a vowel, that shatva will not be there, shakara. So dhyasyati, dhyasyatah, dhyasyanti. Dhyasyasi, dhyasyatah, dhyasyata, dhyasyami, dhyasyavaha, dhyasyamaha. Iti rupani bhavanti. Luti. भविष्यत् काले रूपाणि एवं भवन्ति परन्तु वाक्य निर्माणं तत्र अहं तत्र गत्वा यू कैन से अहं मन्दिरं गत्वा ध्यास्यामि. भक्ताः तिरुमलं गत्वा तिरुमलं समासाद्य पुनः तदेव भक्ताः तिरुमलं समासाद्य श्री वेंकटेश्वरं ध्यास्यन्ति. also can be made. Yes, ध्यास्यन्ति. Langi in the past tense, bhutakale, you have to say adhyayat. ध्यायत, अध्यायताम, अध्यायन। सीता, श्लोकस्थं वाक्यं स्वीकुर्मः। सीता अशोकवने रामम् अध्यायत्। सीता रामम् अध्यायत्। तत्र अध्यायताम, देन् द्विवचनम्, अध्यायताम, अध्यायन्, अध्यायः, त्वम् अध्यायः, युवाम् अध्यायतम्, यूयम् अध्यायत, you all meditated। अहम् अध्यायम्, अहम् अध्यायम्, आवाम् अध्यायाव, वयम् अध्यायाम। That is how it comes, but rarely used. So अध्यायत. So what is to be written? किं लेखनीयं श्रीनिवासः? वाक्यानि, वाक्यनिर्माणम्। अभ्यास। Is the voice coming? See? Okay. I sample. अंशः षष्ठांशः पञ्चः। What is that?
समासाद्य।
समासाद्य।
Yeah.
Okay.
अहं कार्यालयं समासाद्य।
अहं कार्यं करोमि। Or you said one more.
अहं विद्यालयं समासाद्य।
No, no. भक्ताः.
That is for ज्ञान।
No, अच्छा. There we will use this. विद्यालयं समासाद्य.
पठनं करोमि।
Yeah, let them do. I will write only one. विद्यालयं समासाद्य पठनं करोमि. अहम् implied there. Next one.
पालित।
पालित.
भारत।
The word to be used is palita, ruled. Bharatam idanim. Bharatam idanim.
मोदी महोदयेन पालितम्।
मोदी महोदयेन पालितमस्ति। ध्येय। In lut form.
देवालयं समासाद्य।
भक्ताः
कृष्णं ध्यायन्ति।
ध्यायन्ति। On this basis, you can make several other sentences. Tirumalam samasadhya janaha bhaktaha govindam dhyayanti. Govindam dhyayanti. Druti. Oh. This is in the future. No, why Ashoka? No, Ashoka will not. What is your sentence? Kim Vakyam? Ashoka?
Sita Raman Adhyayat.
Langi, that is Langi. Not Ruti. First Ruti is there. Then we will take it. But ये जनाः तिरुमलं गच्छन्ति तिरुमलनगरं गच्छन्ति ते गोविंदम परमानंदम गोविंदम वेंकटेश्वरम whatever you गोविंदम ध्यास्यन्ति okay ये जनाः तिरुमला नगरम गच्छन्ति गच्छन्ति made a mistake there anti is not come okay you can make गच्छन्ति ध्यायन्ति ते गोविंदम ध्यायन्ति इदानीं लङ् प्रयोगः शोक वनिकां प्राप्ता अशोक वनिकां प्राप्ता सीता राममेव अध्यायत् इति वाक्यम् पठतु एकवारं
समासाद्य अहं कार्यं समासाद्य कार्यं करोमि पालित भारतम् इदानीं मोदी महोदयेन पालितमस्ति ध्येय लटि देवालयं समासाद्य भक्ताः कृष्णं ध्यायन्ति रटि ये जनाः तिरुमलनगरं गच्छन्ति ते गोविन्दं ध्यास्यन्ति ध्येय लङ्घि अशोकवनिकां प्राप्ता सीता राममेव अध्यायत्
एवं रूपेण तत्र समासाद्य पालित ध्येय इति शब्दानां वाक्यप्रयोगम् इदानीम् अस्माभिः कृतम् अनन्तरं 74तमः श्लोकः 74th पोयम् संक्षेपरामायणे पठ्यताम्
निवेदयित्वाभिज्ञानं प्रवृत्तिं विनिवेद्य च समाश्वास्य च वैदेहीं मर्दयामास तोरणम्
इति श्लोकपठनम् अनन्तरं पदच्छेदः यथा नित्यं निवेदयित्वा अभिज्ञानं प्रवृत्तिं विनिवेद्य च समाश्वास्य च वैदेहीं मर्दयामास तोरणम् पदपरिचयं शीघ्रं निवेदयित्वा क्त्वान्तं अभिज्ञानं प्रवृत्तिं विनिवेद्य च अव्ययम समाश्वास्य
दवन्तमव्ययम्
वैदेहीं मर्दयामास
मर्द इति धातु निच् कर्तरि लिट् प्रथमपुरुषेकवचनम्
आकांक्षां तोरणम् अकारान् आकांक्षा एवमस्ति मर्दयामास हनुमान् मर्दयामास नाम आङ्ग्लभाषायां पौण्डेड् मर्दनं नाम अत्र पौण्डेड् डेमोलिश्ड् इति पुस्तके दत्तमस्ति पदं पौण्डेड् इस् आल्सो गुड् क्रश्ड् पौण्डिङ्ग् कः मर्दयामास हनुमान् मर्दयामास हनुमान् किं मर्दयामास व्हाट डिड हनुमान् पौण्ड और क्रश और डेमोलिश
हनुमान् तोरणं मर्दयामास
Hanuman pounded the gateway Torana of Lanka in Ashoka garden. Saha kim krutva Toranam mardayamasa. Doing what did he pound off the Torana?
Saha nivedayitva nivedya Toranam mardayamasa.
He nivedayitva, having informed, or nivedya, which is a Rishi Prayoga, nivedayitva, that is why it is given with a star. Nivedya Toranam Madhya, having informed to Sita, having seen Sita and also informed her that he was the messenger from Duta from Rama, he pounded the Torana, the gate, outer gate of Ashoka garden. Okay, then Saha kim krutva Toranam Madhya, that's over. Kim nivedya mardayamasa. Informing what did he pound the outer gate of Ashoka garden?
Abhignanam nivedayitva nivedya mardayamasa.
Abhignanam means recognition. Having given is identity. Abhignana here can be also identity. Abhignana means any token of recognition. Abhignanam nama token of recognition. The book says souvenir, but that is not a right. A sign of or a token of any recognition is called abhignana. Like we have famous drama of Kalidasa, Abhignana Shakuntalam. Shakuntala had a ring given by Dushyanta, her husband, which was kept by her as a token of recognition. So, Kim tatra nivedya vardayamasa abhignanam nivedayitva. Kasya abhignanam? Ramasya abhignanam. Rama's recognition, that to instill confidence in the mind of Sita, Hanuman had to show that ring. We know that. So that is abhignanam nivedayitva nivedya mardaya. Then he pounded off. Punaha kim krutva mardayamas. Again, what did he pounded doing what?
Vinivedya mardayamasa.
Vinivedya also means the same thing, having described or informed Sita about his purpose of his coming. Kim Vinivedya, informing what?
Pravrittim Vinivedya.
Pravrittim. Pravritti nama tatra, the incidents relating to Rama and Sita, etc. Punascha kim krutva mardayamas. Again doing what he pounded the gate. Samashwasya. Having consoled Sita, having taken Sita into confidence, he pounded, crushed or demolished the outer gate of Ashoka garden. Kam samashwasya. Consoling whom did he pound?
Vaidehim samashwasya.
He pounded or crushed the gate of Lanka, outer gate of Lanka, Ashoka garden, having consoled Sita that he has come there as a messenger of Rama. Anvayartham Srinivas.
Tatascha Hanuman abhignanam nivedayitva pravrittincha ramasya vinivedya vaidehim samashwasya toranam mardayamasa.
Tatascha, thereafter, Hanuman abhignanam nivedayitva means having given his recognition, not exactly his recognition, but his identity through the recognition. अभिज्ञानेन तस्य परिचयः संजातः प्रवृत्तिं च रामस्य and also about the incidents relating to Rama pravrittim Ramasya vinivedya having informed Vaidehim Sitam samashvasya having consoled and pacified Sita Toranam, then he took to the task of destroying the outer gate of that Ashoka garden. Padartham Abhignanam Parichayakam Vastu. Any item which is of having the value of recognition. The sign of token of recognition, Angla Bhashayam, but not the souvenir. Souvenir, I don't like this word. Token of recognition is better. Nivedayitva samarpya pravrittim. The incidents that relate to Rama. Vinivedya, having informed Vaidehim Sita. Then having described or informed to Sita, it should be there in English. Or okay, having described Sita. No, then that it becomes a description of Sita, having described to Sita.
That's different. Vinivedya having described
to Sita. There Sita is there, two should be there, to Sita. Okay, cha and Thoranam samashvasya, ashvasya, having consoled. That is okay. Cha is cha. Thoranam dwaram. Ashoka Vanika Dwaram, Ashoka Vana Dwaram, that was the Torana. The outer gate of the Ashoka garden. Mardayamasa Adhvamsata. Adhvamsata, this is Lang. Adhvamsata means destroyed. That is what the word is given here. Demolished, destroyed, crushed, pounded is better, pounding. Because literally Hanuman took to his fist. He started pounding people, increasing his body. Time and again he was increasing his body. And Garima, Anima, Lagima, Garima I think. Maybe that was the yoga. Siddhi, he used it, he became the largest person, enhanced his body. Okay, Srinivas, Bhavartha you have to read now.
Tadanantaram Hanuman Ramasya Parichayakam Vastu
Anguliyakam
Sitayai Samarpya
Sita Harananantaram
Ramasugrivayoho
Maitri
Paryantam Jatam Vruttam Jnapitava.
Okay, pause there. Tadanantaram, thereafter, Hanuman, Lord Hanuman, Ramasya Parichayakam, introduction about relating to Rama, Vastu, informative of Rama, Vastu, some item, Anguliyakam ring, Sitai Samarpya, having given to Sita a signet ring which indicated, which brought information about Rama. Samarpya, having given her. Sita Harananantaram, after her Harana, Rama Sugrivayoho Maitri Sampannam Jatam Vrittam, and the incident of where the Rama and Sugriva became friends, all that was Gnapitavan, he informed. So Hanuman, first having given the token of recognition to Sita, he informed her about the friendship that had come about between Rama and Sugriva. Next, Tadanantaram Sitaika Vaidyam Angacheknam
Bodhayitva Ramaha Shighram Aganta
Iti
Uktva Sitam Samashvasya Pratigamana Kale Hanuman Ashoka Vanikayaha Praveshadvaram
Adhvamsata. Big sentence. Tadanantaram, later, Sitaika Vedyam, Sitaya Ekaya Vedyam, Sitaika Vedyam, known to Sita alone. Known to Sita alone. Sitaya ekaya vedyam.
Viditam.
No, vedyam means known. Viditam, otherwise Viditam. Sitaika vedyam, that is known to only Sita. Whatever was known to only Sita, such things, Ramasya anga chiknam, because any couple knows each other very well. So Rama's some marks on the body which were told, which were known to only Sita, were told by this Hanuman. Sitaika vedyam Ramasya anga chiknam bodhayitva, having informed Ramaha shigram aganta iti, and having described some signs on the body of Rama which were known only to Sita, and Rama shigram soon aganta agamishyati iti. Rama is going to come soon. Iti aganta means future tense. Agamishyati iti cha uktva, and saying, Hanuman telling Sita, Rama will soon come. Sitam samashwasya, having consoled her, telling this, Pratigamana kale, while returning to again back to his place of Sugriva, Hanuman Ashokavanikaya Praveshadwaram Dvamsata. He destroyed, demolished the Ashoka garden and created a big ruckus there. Atra vayam sthapayamaha shubham bhuya.